Hello, this is Trisha Anis and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another K-pop merch unboxing video. For today, we will be unboxing Day6 first album Sunrise. It comes in a shiny outer box and here we can see the members Sungjin, Jae, Youngtae, Wonpil, and Dowon. On the sides, we only have two designs. So first we have this design. Just the Day6 old logo and the sunrise here and another Day6. So it also indicates there that this is the first album. And the other design would be the Everyday 6 logo. And as I've said, on the other side, you can just see the one that we saw earlier. And at the bottom, it also just have the Everyday 6 logo. At the back, we can see here the track list and also the logo. So, let's open up this album to see what's inside. So, we have first the clear card inclusions. It contains 6 clear cards. So, first would be the cover. So, Woon's clear card. Wonpil, Sungjin, Jae, Youngtae. The next inclusion would be a photo book. Then we have 2 Polaroids. So we first have the OT5. Here. And a member Polaroid. So I got Sungjin. Then we have the CD in a jewel case. At the front, we can see Sunrise, Day6, and of course an OT5 photo. And at the back is the Sunrise Everyday 6 logo. We also have here Day6 Sunrise. Opening it up, the CD comes in a simple design, so no other extravagant designs here. So we just have the Day6 logo and the Day6 Sunrise here, and of course some credits. And we also have here a 14-page lyric book. So at the front, here's the OT5 photo. Looking at a closer look. Okay, then we have the track list. Onurun Nege or Lean on Me. Bandushi Ununda or I Smile. Mani na Movie. Awe or I Wait. Otokemale or How Can I Say. And the rebooted version of Letting Go or Noa Noa Noa. Then we have Kurol Tende or I Would. And Kyori Kanda or Goodbye Winter. Next is Jangnan Aninde or I'm Serious. Then we also have here Say Wow. Then Dance Dance, My Day, and of course the final two, the Yeposo or You Were Beautiful, and the final version of Congratulations. And at the back, we just see them in a field. This is so beautiful also. Up next would be the photo book. So we just have here the sunrise photo. And at the back, we can see their bodies. So we'll just go forward with this photo book. So Wonpil. So my favorite OTP in Day6, J-Pil. And we have here Sunrise, handwritten by the 5 of them. And of course, the dedication pages. So for their albums, they always have this thanks to pages. Each member has this page, and there's also a page for the 5 of them. And Jay always writes in English. And we have here some photos. So this is the photo that we got earlier. Here. So we got this OT5 photo. And this is the thanks to page from the 5 of them. OT5 photo again, and just some credits for the last pages. Okay. So that's it for our photo book. We have this inclusion, so the jewel case, the photo cards, the photo book, and of course the clear cards. And let's cover this with the outbox. That's it for our unboxing of Day6 first album Sunrise. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to click the thumbs up button. And also don't forget to comment below if you have any merch that you want me to unbox, so I may buy them, or I may have them already and have them unboxed for you, so you will know what inclusions you can have with that album or with that merch. For more video unboxing of other merch or any other K-pop related stuffs that I may post, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested in getting notified every time I post a new video, please click that bell beside the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye bye!